This is the story not only of the first muezzin of Islam, but the story of the first black man to embrace Islam. His spiritual freedom was Islam's first gift to Bilal. Soon the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, himself, would learn about his tribulation, and he would send Abu Bakr, who bought him from the oppressor and freed him. As the day cooled, he awoke to find the heavy stone no more on his chest, and opened his eyes to look into the bright, smiling face of none other than the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It had pained Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam greatly to see a true believer suffer at the hands of Umayyah, and he had sent Abu Bakr to purchase Bilal from his master and set him free.